Hey lawn dogs, this is Floyd Foster with Ulnar Lawn Care, LawnRazor.com. Hey, welcome to my channel. Hope you like it. Stick around, check out some of my videos. Watch this intro, and after that you'll see some of the clips from last July till now. Well, actually before July, last year till now. Kind of what I've been doing for the last year and a half. So, stick around, like, subscribe, check out everything. Hope you enjoy my channel. Alright, see you in a bit.
Hey YouTube, my name is Sergeant Jeff Foster, U.S. Army, 68 Whiskey Medic. Starting this channel here with YouTube to document my new lawn care business that I am starting up. I am exiting the Army within the next couple months, and want to document from the beginning to as long as I go, the trials and tribulations I will have of starting a lawn care business.
What's up, lawn dogs?
I hate you.
Jeff Foster on. What? You hate me?
What?
What's up, lawn dogs? Jeff Foster, Ulnar Lawn Care, LawnRazor.com. The other ways I plan to advertise. So I already own my domain for my website. I haven't launched it yet or anything like that, ulnarlawncare.com, because I'm still like, I don't want to launch it too early and start getting people calling and I have to reject them because I'm not there. So that's another way. I showed you my business cards earlier. My family kind of back home passing those out to the people they know. A couple of them have already called, a few, saying, hey, we know when you get back, we want you to give us a quote and stuff. And I'm like, okay, so that's good. The road signs. I don't know how I feel about those right now. They're a cheap advertisement, depending on if you do one side, two-sided. Hey, lawn dogs, Jeff Foster here, Ulnar Lawn Care, LawnRazor.com. Well, today is the day. We are heading back to our home in Michigan to drop off the truck, the camper, the cat, the dog, the wife, the kids, start the whole business over. So stick around. It's that pretty thing right there. We're going to talk about it. It's the end of the month, end of July. We're going into August. It is cigar time. End of the month cigar time. This is a Acid Blondie. They're my go-tos. They're little, but they're my go-tos. All right, I'll be right back with you, and we'll talk about this machine behind me. Safety first. Good to go. lawn dogs, you saw the old desk a minute ago. Let's check it out, the new one. Alright, hold on, let me get a better shot of this. This is the new workspace. Had to upgrade the desk. Got a little L shape here. You know, still growing this little office area. Still got the old desk over there for, you know, books and papers and stuff. But anyway, yeah, that's it. 2 screens, get ready to work. I'm gonna sit down and tell you what's going on. So, big news, big news. Hope you're ready for it. Last week, so it would have been, I think it was Wednesday, we signed the papers. So Wednesday, what would that day be? Let me look real quick at the calendar. The 22nd. January 22nd, me and Mark, this guy right here, I hope you can see him, we sat down at my table upstairs, went over everything, and agreed to the terms of my purchase of Clean Cuts Lawn Care. Hey Lawn Dogs, Jeff Foster here. We got white powder stuff falling from the sky. We got old Jack back there warming up. We're gonna go do some plowing today. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that footage and hope you enjoyed my little story with all the clips. Anyway, hey, be kind to one another. Go make that green. Maximum effort. Mow.